Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the log on feature in CapCut. Alright, so select your video you want to edit and click on the clip so you can find the new feature which is log on. And just click on it and select for the log on. You can select face, body or hand. So for example, I'm select face and just click start to applying log on effect. So you can create the video follow focus automatically with this feature. Alright, just click check mark and you can see for the result. So the frame are following the object. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.